This shoe rack organizer comes in a variety of sizes. In the package, you'll get large panels, small panels, plastic doors, connectors, panel hooks, and accessory hooks. Use the connectors to attach the large panels for the base with the decorative side facing up. You want the flat part of the connector facing the floor. Slide the metal corners of the large panels into the slot at the bottom of the connector. Put a connector on each corner. Insert the small panels vertically into the connectors with the decorative side facing out on the end panels. Make sure the edges with the exposed metal in the middle are on the vertical side of the panel. Attach the connectors to the top corners of the small panels. The flat part of the connector faces out away from the rack. Use large panels for the back of the rack, snapping the corners of the panels into the connectors. Have the decorative side of the panel facing in toward the rack. Connect large panels horizontally with the decorative side up to finish the bottom cubes. Connect small panels vertically with the decorative side facing out on the ends. Have the edges with the exposed metal on the vertical side of the panels. Snap the small plastic hooks onto the center of the vertical panels. On the end panels, push one side of the hook between the panel and the metal frame so one hook is inside the panel, the other hook is facing the inside of the cube. Snap the center hooks onto the frame with the hooks toward the unit. Attach large panels to the hooks to divide the cubes in half with the decorative side up. Attach connectors to the top corners of the panels with the flat side facing away from the unit. Attach large panels to the back of the unit with the decorative side facing the inside of the cubes. Repeat the steps for your unit size. Attach the doors to the front connectors, snapping them in place. The accessory hooks slide onto the top edge of the unit.